Your home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and ensuring it's properly maintained is crucial for both its value and the safety of your family. One of the most important elements of your home is its roof, providing protection from the elements and contributing to your home's energy efficiency. When the time comes for roof replacement, it's essential to choose a reliable, experienced roofing contractor who understands your needs. My Quality Construction of Warren has earned a reputation as a trusted provider for roof replacement in Warren, Michigan, and the surrounding areas. Here's why so many homeowners choose My Quality Construction for their roof replacement needs. Expertise and experience. When it comes to roof replacement, experience matters. My Quality Construction of Warren has over 20 years of experience in the roofing industry, providing homeowners with reliable, high-quality roof replacement services. Our team consists of trained and skilled roofing professionals who understand the complexities of roof installation, repair, and replacement. Comprehensive knowledge. Our expert team is well versed in various roofing materials, including asphalt shingles, metal roofs, and flat roofing. We offer personalized solutions tailored to your home's specific needs, ensuring that the new roof meets your aesthetic preferences and functionality requirements. Attention to detail. We pride ourselves on delivering a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail with every project. Whether it's ensuring proper installation techniques or addressing the smallest of issues, our experience ensures your new roof will last for years to come. Quality materials and product. At My Quality Construction, we believe in using only the best materials for our roof replacement projects. We work with reputable manufacturers to provide our clients with durable, long-lasting roofing products that will withstand the test of time and weather. Top-tier roofing materials. We offer a wide range of roofing materials, from high-quality asphalt shingles to premium metal roofing options, ensuring that homeowners can find the right material for their budget and style preferences. Energy-efficient options. We also offer energy-efficient roofing materials that can help reduce your home's heating and cooling costs. With advancements in insulation and reflective coatings, energy-efficient roofs not only protect your home but also contribute to your long-term savings. By choosing My Quality Construction, you can rest assured that your new roof will be made from premium materials designed for durability and performance. Comprehensive warranty and customer satisfaction. When you invest in a roof replacement, you want peace of mind that the job is done right. My Quality Construction of Warren offers comprehensive warranties on both our workmanship and materials, ensuring that you are covered in the event of any issues. Workmanship warranty. Our expert installation comes with a warranty that guarantees the quality of our work. If any issues arise due to poor installation, we will fix it promptly and at no extra cost. Manufacturer warranties. In addition to our own workmanship warranty, we also provide warranties on the roofing materials we use, which vary by manufacturer. These warranties can last for several years and cover defects, giving you added protection and peace of mind. At My Quality Construction, We are committed to customer satisfaction, and our warranties reflect our dedication to ensuring you are happy with your new roof for years to come. Timely and professional service. A roof replacement is a significant investment and often involves some level of inconvenience. That's why My Quality Construction ensures that our team completes every project in a timely and efficient manner. We understand the importance of getting the job done quickly, while maintaining high standards of quality. On-time completion. We respect your time and ensure that the roof replacement is completed as scheduled. We communicate with you throughout the process, keeping you informed of any delays or unexpected issues, so you're never left in the dark. Professional team. Our team is fully licensed, bonded, and insured, and we adhere to all local codes and regulations. We work quickly but with great attention to detail, ensuring your roof is installed or replaced properly. Affordable, transparent pricing at My Quality Construction of Warren. We believe that roof replacement should be an investment, not a financial burden. We offer competitive and transparent pricing, ensuring that you receive great value for your money without any hidden fees or unexpected charges. Free, no obligation estimates. We provide free, detailed estimates for all our roof replacement projects. We'll assess the condition of your current roof, discuss your options, and give you an upfront price so you can make an informed decision without worrying about surprise costs. Flexible financing options. We understand that roof replacement can be a large expense, which is why we offer flexible financing options to help homeowners manage their investment. Our goal is to make roof replacement as affordable and accessible as possible. Local expertise and reputation. Choosing a local roofing contractor has its advantages. As a family-owned business, My Quality Construction has built a solid reputation within the Warren community and the surrounding areas. We have worked on countless homes in the region, and our local expertise means we understand the unique challenges and weather conditions that affect homes in this area. Trusted by your neighbors. With a strong track record and numerous satisfied customers, My Quality Construction is a name that homeowners trust. We pride ourselves on our reputation for honesty, integrity, and exceptional service. Commitment to the community. As a local company, we're committed to serving our community and helping homeowners protect their homes with quality roof replacements. We value the relationships we build with our clients and work hard to maintain our reputation for excellence. Full-service roofing company. At My Quality Construction, we offer more than just roof replacement. We also provide a wide range of roofing services, including roof repairs, maintenance, gutter installation, and siding services. This means we can handle all of your home's exterior needs, making us a one-stop shop for all things roofing and home improvement. Conclusion. When it's time for a roof replacement in Warren, Michigan, choosing My Quality Construction of Warren is a decision you won't regret. With over 20 years of experience, top-tier materials, affordable pricing, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we are the roofing company you can trust. Whether you need a new roof for aesthetic reasons or to protect your home from the elements, our expert team is here to provide you with the best service possible. Reach out today for a free estimate and see why so many homeowners choose my quality construction of Warren for their roofing needs.